I wanted to talk a little bit about several of our police officers within the Oklahoma City Police Department that have been attacked recently in very violent encounters. And I want these type of incidents to be brought to more attention of the public. There's a lot of things that we talk about when we talk about criminal justice reform and nonviolent offenders, and I think sometimes the true stories, the things that really happen not only to our police officers but within our community, sometimes get lost in that conversation and lost in the shuffle.
Come here. Come here. Come here. 4-7 Spring Lake, start me another unit. Come here. 4-7 Spring Lake, he's right in front of me. Stop. You better stop.
Go! Go!
Roll to your stomach. Roll to your stomach!
Get your head!
I need IMSA. Hey. Start IMSA. You cut me with a piece of glass.
And I just want you and the community to understand that these type of things have consequences. Our officers are having to deal with a wide variety of very difficult situations, and oftentimes the individuals that they deal with are violent. And we need to make sure when those encounters occur that those folks are held accountable. When you have an individual, such as who Officer Page just encountered, who has had multiple or had more than one assault and battery on a police officer, arrest and conviction, it makes you wonder why that person was not in jail for a longer amount of time, and how he was able to be out on the streets roaming around and able to do this again. Officer Page was seriously injured. He almost lost his eye. He could have been killed. When Mr. McFeeters was interviewed, he stated that his intent was to kill the officer.